Apple just dropped iOS 26.2, and while it's not a blockbuster update, it's packed with little upgrades that could make your iPhone life a whole lot smoother. Hey GadInsiders, welcome to your go-to for latest tech updates. First up is reminder alarms. Turn on the urgent option, and your reminders won't just sit there, they'll ring an alarm when it's time, complete with snooze and stop buttons so you miss fewer appointments, meetings, or tasks. AirDrop gets a boost too. No need to add random people to contacts or enable the 10-minute everyone option. Now you can generate a code to share, letting you AirDrop for 30 days while keeping your phone secure on contacts only. For fans of liquid glass, iOS 26.2 adds a slider to adjust your lock screen clock's transparency and brings the effect to the Measure app's level tool, giving your interface a smoother, more consistent look. Podcasts get smarter too. The app can now auto-generate chapters, link to websites mentioned, and even point you to other podcasts referenced in episodes. Meanwhile, Sleep Scores helps you reflect on your real sleep quality, and Freeform finally lets you make resizable tables for your projects. Even Apple News gets a minor tweak by adding shortcuts at the top of the app for faster access to sports, puzzles, politics, food, and more. And of course, as always, iOS 26.2 comes with bug fixes and security improvements, so even if the new features don't blow your mind, this is the update you'll want to grab. Your iPhone just got a little smarter, sleeker, and more useful, so upgrade now. Have you already updated your device? Tell us in the comments, give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to GadInsider, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss any tech or gaming update.